As more and more baby boomers retire, a lot of them are facing a key question. A lot of boomers have stashed away enough cash to comfortably support them throughout their golden years. Unfortunately, there's a huge chunk of senior citizens who have underfunded pensions. A lot of them are simply relying on Social Security. Others may have private pensions that don't really pay all that well. Some still work upwards of 20 hours every single week to essentially supplement whatever pension funds they're getting. On the other hand, there are a lot of senior citizens who don't need money, but simply have a lot of time on their hands. Regardless of which group you belong to, you should definitely look into working from home using the internet. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will understand well why you should work from home. You will learn to identify the right work from home job available for you out there. You will be able to engage your sense of curiosity, adventure, and possibility. You will be able to work on something that produces money while at the same time pushes you to be as creative and as imaginative as before. You will be able to earn a steady online income. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors, Work from Home Ideas for Senior Citizens. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why should you work from home? Get an online job as a virtual assistant. Customer service representative or technical support. General freelancer. Become a blogger. Translator. Business consulting. Bookkeeper or tax accountant. Online tutor or teacher. Become an online seller. Virtual juror. Other work-from-home opportunities. Where to get online jobs. Senior Citizens Guide to Basic Digital Marketing. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start working from home using the internet. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to work on your own terms. You want to work on your own schedule. You want to make work so much more flexible and lucrative. You want to build several passive income systems. You want to earn a steady income by using the internet. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Work at Home and Digital Marketing for Seniors, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to start working from home and digital marketing for seniors, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If, for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you start working from now and generate a steady online income. I'll see you on the inside.